Welcome to the Sebastian Show. We got lots of things for you today. Welcome to the Sebastian Show.
Hello and welcome to another episode of No Sense for Nonsense. Today we will be talking about, is burping good for you? Now the other day I was going through my old videos on my hard drive and I found an old video of my nephew burping like a god. And after that I gave him the nickname Burperati. Let's take a look.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, presenting Burperati. Yeah, that's a good boy. No, wait, now you must try and do the ABCs. Just do ABC.
Oh yeah, ABC.
Yeah.
I can do that.
No, just do it.
ABC.
Yeah, then say, I'm Corey.
I am Corey.
That's brilliant. Let's say, I'm a superstar. Try and say, I'm going to be on YouTube.
Huh?
Say, I'm going to be on YouTube.
Okay.
I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Brilliant.
Now I had uploaded this video about 3 years ago and I got a lot of thumbs up for it. But there was one guy that said to me that it was totally scandalous that I did nothing to prevent my nephew from doing such a rude act. These were his exact words. Now here are two reasons why I didn't do anything to stop him. First of all, I'm not narrow-minded. I don't see why I should prevent a child from having a little harmless fun. I believe a child should be socially strong so that he doesn't become an outcast in his school or amongst his friends. Second of all, in some countries it is considered as polite to burp after having a meal. One of those countries is China. It's just a question of cultural perspective. Many different acts and gestures can be perceived differently in other countries. For example, the simple thumbs up, which normally means good luck or good job. But in some places like West Africa, Latin America, Russia, Sardinia and the Middle East, the thumbs up means fuck you. Does this mean that the people who thumbed up your previous videos were actually telling you to go fuck yourself? What? Anywho, that's all for today. So please don't forget to leave me a nonsensical comment down below to tell me what you think. And also so that I can choose a random username from down below and put that person's username in my outro. And also don't forget to rate and favorite and to hit the subscribe button very hard with your head. Why are you wishing me good luck? I'm not wishing you good luck. Hey!
Hello, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. I hope you enjoy the special.